For countless women, the hours between 2 and 4 a.m. feel like a strange, silent world. Night after night, you wake. The clock's glow a quiet companion. At first, it's just a minor annoyance. You stretch, adjust the covers, and hope to slip back into sleep. Sometimes you do. But too often, minutes stretch into hours. You hear the creak of the house, the distant rumble of a passing car. Worries about tomorrow creep in, and suddenly, it feels like the whole world is asleep except you. Science offers a glimpse into this mystery. As we age, our sleep changes in ways we rarely notice. Melatonin, the hormone that once lulled us into deep slumber as the sunset, dwindles over time, leaving sleep lighter, more fragile. Our circadian rhythm, the body's internal clock, shifts too, nudging us to tire earlier and wake before dawn. Then there are the quieter culprits, a sensitive bladder, aches that flare in the stillness, or a mind that clings to worries about family or health. Together, they create a perfect storm, stirring you awake when you crave rest most. But here's the hope. Understanding why this happens is the first step to change. You're not powerless against biology or time. Start with curiosity. The next time you wake, notice what's happening. Are you too warm? Did a thought jolt you awake? Keep a small notebook by your bed and jot down a few words over time. Patterns may emerge. Maybe late-night snacks or an open curtain are the culprits. If it's physical discomfort, try limiting fluids an hour before bed or gentle stretches to ease aches. If worries keep you up, try box breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, rest for 4. This simple rhythm can calm your racing mind. Let me share a story. Margaret, a retired teacher from Ohio, once called herself a proud member of the 2 a.m. club. For years, she woke nightly, her mind spinning with memories and to-dos for her grown children. She blamed age until her granddaughter gifted her a journal. Margaret began noting what woke her, discovering that evening tea or phone scrolling broke her rest. She switched to herbal tea, left her phone in another room, and added a stretching routine. Within weeks, her nights grew quieter, her mornings brighter. Now, when I wake, she says, I breathe, I let go, and I know it's just a moment, not forever. Your restless nights aren't a life sentence. They're your body asking for care. By listening and making small changes, you can guide yourself back to deeper sleep. You're not alone, and every night is a new chapter in your story of rest. Evenings have a special rhythm, don't they? The house quiets, the day's edges soften. Maybe you savor a favorite show, scroll through photos of grandkids, or linger over a cup of tea. These moments feel comforting, even sacred. But when your head hits the pillow, sleep stays elusive, your mind still buzzing. Have you ever wondered if your evening habits might be quietly working against you? Sleep isn't something we can simply will into being, especially as we age. Our bodies crave cues, rituals that signal rest is near. Melatonin production wanes, and modern habits scream glow, late news, or even a heartfelt phone call tell our brains to stay alert. The result? You lie down, but your mind is still racing. The solution is beautifully simple. Create a pre-sleep ritual that whispers, the day is done. An hour before bed, dim the lights to coax melatonin's return. Swap screens for a book, soft music, or a warm bath. Try gentle stretches to release the day's tension or sip a small cup of chamomile tea. These aren't rules, they're acts of kindness to yourself. Elena, a 70-year-old from Vermont, learned this firsthand. For years, she battled sleepless nights, trying everything from new pillows to counting backward. Skeptical, she finally tried her daughter's suggestion of an evening routine. She set aside her phone, wrote one gratitude in a notebook, and played gentle piano music. Within weeks, her mind quieted and sleep came easier. "It's like teaching myself to let go," she says. "No pill ever worked this well. Your evenings can become a gentle landing. Start small, maybe turn off the TV 10 minutes earlier, or trade your phone for a book. Each ritual is a promise. You deserve peace. Let your nights reflect the wisdom you've earned, a time to honor rest without guilt. Your bedroom was once a haven, a place where you slipped under the covers and drifted into dreams. But now, it might feel different tossing, turning, or waking to adjust the blankets. A ticking clock, the glow of a street light, or a sagging mattress might seem like small things, but they can steal your rest night after night. As we age, our sleep becomes lighter, more sensitive to our surroundings. A room too warm disrupts the body's natural cooling for sleep. Light from a clock or phone tricks the brain into waking. Even faint noises, a creaking house, a snoring partner, can pull you from deep rest. But you have the power to reshape this space. Start with temperature. Aim for P-68 degrees Fahrenheit, using a fan or layered bedding to stay comfortable. Block light with blackout curtains or an eye mask and cover glowing electronics. For sound, try a white noise machine or a fan's steady hum. If your mattress is over a decade old or leaves you achy, consider a topper or new pillow. Choose breathable cotton sheets and add a touch of lavender scent for calm. Carol, a retired librarian from Arizona, thought her sleeplessness was just old lady insomnia until her granddaughter pointed out her bright bedroom. Blackout curtains, a white noise machine, and lighter blankets transformed her nights. "I didn't know such small changes could give me a new life," she says. Your bedroom is your retreat. Tonight, pick one change: tighten the curtains, lower the thermostat, or silence that blinking clock. Make it a haven that cradles you into rest, a gift you've earned. Evenings often bring comfort, a warm meal, a sweet dessert, or a soothing drink. But later, you might wake, bloated or needing the bathroom, sleep slipping away. The connection between what and when we eat and drink and how we sleep is often overlooked, especially as we age. Our digestive systems slow with time. Spicy or heavy foods can cause heartburn when you lie down. Caffeine lingers longer, disrupting rest. Even hydration, vital as it is, can lead to midnight bathroom trips if timed poorly. Alcohol might relax you initially, but fragment sleep later. Try finishing dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed to ease digestion. If you're hungry later, choose a light snack like a banana or yogurt. Sip water throughout the day, but taper off after dinner, opting for a small herbal tea if needed. Limit caffeine after noon and save alcohol for earlier. Joanne, a 72-year-old from Michigan, used to drink a large glass of water before bed, thinking it kept her healthy. But nightly bathroom trips broke her sleep. She shifted hydration to mornings, swapped chocolate for yogurt, and traded coffee for peppermint tea. Within days, she slept longer and woke refreshed. Such simple changes, she says, but they gave me my nights back. Your body deserves care that evolves with you. Notice how evening choices affect your sleep. A small shift earlier dinner, lighter snacks can be a loving step toward restful nights. As night falls, the world may hush, but your mind can still race. Worries about family, health, or tomorrow crowd in, keeping sleep at bay. It's easy to think this anxiety is just part of aging, but gentle movement can change the story. Stress affects more than your mind. It tightens muscles, quickens your heart, and disrupts sleep. Yet, soft exercises like stretching, deep breathing, or chair yoga can release tension, lower stress hormones, and invite calm. No need for intensity, just a few minutes of mindful movement. Try this. Sit comfortably. Roll your shoulders 5 times each way, or stretch your neck gently side to side. Breathe deeply, letting your belly rise and fall for 10 counts. Extend. One leg, hold for 5, then switch. These acts tell your body it's safe to rest. Mabel, a retired nurse from Oregon, faced sleepless nights after loss. Skeptical, she joined a community stretch class, discovering that breathing and gentle stretches eased her anxiety. She made it a nightly ritual, and soon sleep came easier. It's my time to feel peaceful, she says. Tonight, take 5 minutes to stretch or breathe. Let it be a gift, a moment to release the day. You've carried so much now, let your body and mind rest. When sleepless nights persist despite your care, it's natural to wonder, is this my new normal? You've tried routines, diets, and calm spaces, yet rest eludes you. It's okay to feel frustrated, but you don't have to walk this path alone. Aging brings changes that can quietly disrupt sleep. Restless leg syndrome, sleep apnea, or medication. Side effects. A doctor can uncover these, offering solutions like adjusted prescriptions, behavioral therapies, or safe supplements. There's no shame in seeking help, it's courage. Linda, a 68-year-old from Colorado, thought her sleeplessness was just age until a checkup led to a sleep study. Mild sleep apnea was the culprit. With a CPAP machine and lifestyle tweaks, her rest returned. Talking to my doctor gave me my life back. She says, be open with your doctor about your sleep patterns and concerns. Ask about medications, non-drug therapies like CBT for insomnia, and what fits you. Trust your instincts and be patient. Solutions take time. Your sleep matters. Reaching out is a step toward brighter days, a sign of strength. Your best rest may be just a conversation away. As promised, here's the habit that can transform your sleep: self-compassion. Each night, treat yourself with the kindness you've given others. Whether it's a gentle stretch, a quiet moment, or asking for help, remind yourself you're worthy of rest. Small acts of care, listening to your body, honoring your needs, build a path to peaceful nights.